to all. This is Elkumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Commercial Engineering. So today we are going to see about Applet in a Java object-oriented programming. It is based on Java programming and mainly the applet. So the what is applet means? The applet is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic content. So it runs inside the browser and works at client side. So this is mainly the main concept. So who is going to invent the applet means? And Andre Morton, CEO and co-founder of Applet and LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the James Person, creator of Java. So this is the logo of Applet. So the main advantage of Applet is it works at a client side, so less response time. It is also secured to all our online execution, online response times. It can be executed by the browser and running under many platforms, so including Linux operating system and Windows operating system and operating Mac operating systems. Then drawbacks of applet is this plugin is required at a client browser to execute applet, because it is a special kind of app to need note the applet viewer application, so execute the applet. It is two types of execution types. So one is hierarchy of applet is first one object, and then a component and container and a panel and applet and a applet. So the object contain different kind of object and data types. The component will be execute the same as the object. The container will contain the applet viewers and HTML codes and extend and etc. The panel will be view the applet viewer in a different kind of applications. So finally the applet. So finally the view of the applet condition is executed the applet produces. So this is the applet life cycle. So once applet is initialized means then applet is executed to started, and applet is painted, and applet is stopped, and applet is destroyed. So whenever I am going to the starting the applet, it is a 5 different kind of steps going to be done end of the applet life cycle. And then life cycle methods are for applet. So this is the different methods used in applet. So first one, public void initial t. It is used to initialize the applet, so it is invoked only once. So next method, public void start. So it is invoked after the initialization method or browser is maximized, so it is used to start the applet. So third one, public void stop. So it is used to stop the applet. It is invoked when applet is stop or browser is minimized. So public void destroy. So it is used to destroy the applet. It is invoked only once. So these methods are same for executing the applet. When we are going to execute the applet means we need to get the one Java file. It is an applet code. So second one is a HTML code. So the HTML code is directly imported from the Java applet code. In after storing the two different files, so HTML files and then the Java main file, we are using the CMD, I mean command prompt. So command prompt to execute the Java applet. These are two different execution types. So one is Java C file name Java. It is in execute the main file of the Java. So next one, after executing this file, the Java file name Java. It is the second command to execute the Java file. So next method to execute the applet file is applet viewer file name Java. It is the second method to execute the applet program in Java using command prompt. So these different methods are used to execute in a command prompt. So how to run applet? So this is how we execute the applet. So first by HTML file and by applet web. Before I said that we have two different files, like a Java main file as well as HTML file. Okay. So simple example for HTML file. So here we have first dot class. It is with the 300 height is 300. The applet HTML code. So starting HTML code and end with the HTML code. Okay. So we need to just executed this code for applet in a command prompt in HTML. Okay. So graphics in applet is the graphics classes provides many methods for graphics programming. So it may be gives different kind of programmings for in a graphics. So method for graphic classes, first one, public abstract void draw string. So strings str int and x, we have two different variables. It is used to draw the specified strings. Second method, public void draw rect. So int x, int y, so int width and int height. So draw a rectangle with the specified width and height. third one, public abstract void fill rect. So here we get two different variables. So it used to fill rectangle with the default color and specified width and height. Public abstract void draw oval. So we have in a three different integers and height. It is used to draw oval with the specified width and height. Fifth method, public abstract void fill oval index into I. We have two different variables and width and height. It is used to fill oval with the default color and specified with the width and height. It is a different method of graphic classes in Applet. So use of applets. So here many types of web applications and numerous ways in which applets may be applied. We will narrow down our illustration to the learning environment. One thing that has revolutionized teaching skills on the internet is the use of dynamic content. So let us examine the use and applications of applet within this math application called qcalculation.com. We use this qcalculation.com. Okay, thank you.